cool.
Hello and welcome to a brand new More on Math Minecraft Mysteries. In this episode, you may notice I've built myself a dirt house. I have a dirt house. And I've decided to upgrade to stone. So I've gathered some stone in a chest inside. In fact, I've gathered a grand total of 768 cobblestone blocks. And now I need your help organizing them. Let's go inside. Welcome to my humble abode. I've got a bed, a couple chests, a couple furnaces, and a ladder upstairs. I don't have any windows yet, I just have some wood. It's more of a hobbit hole than an actual house, because, you know, hobbits live in the sides of hills, so I sort of live in a dirt hill. But here's all the stone I've gathered. And you may notice that I have stacks of 50, so I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 750, plus 18 more, 768. I have 768 blocks of cobblestone. And my question is, how many stacks of cobblestone do I have? Because I can arrange cobblestones into stacks of up to 64 blocks. So I'm trying to figure out how many stacks I really have in this chest. Let's go upstairs and check out the problem of the day. Our Minecraft mystery is cobblestone can be placed into stacks of up to 64 blocks. I have 768 blocks of cobblestone. How many stacks of 64 do I have? That is our Minecraft mystery. Pause the video here and come back when you think you've solved it. Okay, welcome back. Our Minecraft mystery once again is cobblestone can be placed into stacks of up to 64 blocks. I, Mr. Moore, have 768 blocks of cobblestone. How many stacks of 64 do I have? I'm going to need to do some work on this one. Let's go to the magical whiteboard. Ooh, push here to activate. Let's activate. So I have 768 blocks in all. Stacks of 64 is what I want to put them into. And my question is, how many stacks can I make? What type of problem is this? Let's think. I've got 768 total blocks, and I'm breaking them into stacks of 64 blocks each. And what I don't know is how many stacks. Whenever I take a pile of something and separate it into equal groups, it's a division problem. So our division problem is 768 divided by 64. And I know some of you don't like to estimate, but I'm just going to do a really quick estimate off to the side so I know if my answer makes sense when I'm done. 768 is close to 600, close enough anyway, and 64 is close to 60, and I know 600 divided by 60 is just 10, because I can do that in my head. So that tells me my real answer should be something close to 10. So let's divide. I'm going to look at my first digit and ask myself, how many 64s fit inside of a 7? Well, no 64s fit inside of a 7. Some people skip the space, some people block it off with a 0, some people put an X. I'm going to put a 0 there because I know there's nothing in the hundreds place. And then I'm going to grab the second digit, so the first two digits. And so I'm going to ask myself, how many 64s fit inside of a 76? Well, I know that one 64 fits inside of a 76, so I'm going to subtract that out. And 76 minus 64 is just 12. And I'm going to bring down my next digit. So I have 128 left. How many 64s fit inside of 128? Well, I know that answer is 2. And I can double check myself by doing 2 times 4, which is 8. And 2 times 6, which is 12. And when I subtract, I get nothing. And my final answer is 12. And is my answer reasonable? Well, 12 is close to 10, so I'd say check, I probably have a good answer. But it is not a complete answer because I want to know how many stacks. So my final answer is, boom, 12 stacks. And so our mystery has been solved. Our solution is 12 stacks. Okay. Okay, so let's prove it. We said our solution was 12 stacks. I could stack 768 blocks of cobblestone into 12 stacks of 64 pieces each. Let's go check. Close my lid. All right, here's my chest of cobblestone. Let's start combining. There's 50, and another 50 is 64 plus 36, and another, and I'm just going to keep combining until I use up all the cobblestone. So I have all stacks of 64. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is in fact 12 stacks of cobblestone. 768 blocks of cobblestone can be split into 12 stacks of 64 cobblestone each. Well, that does it for me. Thank you for joining me for this episode of More on Math Minecraft Mysteries. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.